We have obsessed over the control of money and information, but the ultimate power belongs to those who control the very infrastructure that keeps us alive: energy. The global push for centralized, interconnected smart grids promises efficiency and sustainability, but in reality, it is forging the final, most complete instrument of compliance: the energy kill switch. When all power, electricity, water, communications, is managed by a single AI-driven network, a simple line of code can decide who eats, who communicates, and who survives the next winter. Your access to life's essentials is no longer a right. It is a conditional privilege determined by an algorithmic score. We are willingly connecting ourselves to the power grid prison, handing over the keys to our existence. This is the ultimate weapon, and it's already built into your home. The transition to smart grids allows for precision control. AI systems can now monitor individual household consumption patterns in real time, learning everything about your daily life. This monitoring, combined with the implementation of CBDC and social credit carbon scoring, turns power access into a lever of social enforcement. If your carbon score is too high, or your compliance score drops, the AI can instantly throttle your energy usage. This is the conditional cage. The system doesn't need to arrest you or silence you. It merely needs to restrict your ability to heat your home, charge your devices, or access water. The system creates a perpetual state of dependence, where disobedience results in immediate, automated, and chilling consequences. Your energy is not yours. It is a tokenized allowance. The centralization of the power grid, managed by a single AI, creates a terrifying single point of failure and a powerful weapon. This is the infrastructure kill switch. An authority can now target specific areas: a community organizing a protest, a rival business, or a region expressing political dissent, and remotely shut down all essential services. This is not just electricity. The grid controls the pumps that provide water, the systems that manage waste, and the infrastructure that supports communications. Total control is achieved without firing a shot, through the simple execution of a remote software command. The system makes resistance technologically impossible by rendering the physical environment unlivable. The shift toward a fully smart, tokenized energy system guarantees the end of energy independence. Independent off-grid solutions, personal generators, solar battery banks, are often deemed inefficient, unregulated, or a threat to the collective grid's stability, leading to their legislative prohibition or digital decommissioning. Your home is transformed into a terminal, perpetually reliant on the central network. Even renewable sources installed on your property are integrated into the grid and subject to its control protocols. If you try to disconnect, the system tracks and flags the anomaly. The digital energy lock ensures that every unit of energy consumed, every joule of power used, is accounted for, traceable, and ultimately owned by the central authority. The energy matrix is the final stage of centralization, tying every previous control system together. Financial compliance, CBDC, dictates your energy allowance. Geographic restriction, smart cities, is enforced by limiting travel energy. And the algorithmic alien, AI, manages the entire choke point. This system creates a perfect feedback loop. Dissent triggers a score reduction. The score reduction triggers an energy cut, and the energy cut triggers compliance. This power over life support is the most effective enforcement mechanism devised. It eliminates the need for overt force by turning basic survival into a digital transaction. A transaction that can be unilaterally revoked by the operator of the energy kill switch. We are allowing convenience and efficiency to blind us to the existential threat of centralized energy control. If we permit the power grid prison to be fully locked down, our ability to resist, dissent, or simply live independently will be lost forever. The fight for energy is no longer about kilowatts. It is about sovereignty. We must demand transparency and decentralized solutions that place control of life support back into the hands of communities and individuals. We must resist the linking of essential utilities to punitive compliance scores. The time to reclaim your power is now, before the final flick of the energy kill switch plunges your freedom into permanent darkness.